obviously this is not an accurate measurement exactly. That's 10.8 there. In the middle, it's 10.5. That's 8.6. I wonder if it's actually losing height.
What?
It's sort of miscalibrated. That, like, as you move it from side to side, I wonder if it's actually.
Looks like it's raising there.
Yeah, so that's raising, and it is lower than it was before. It's now 9.6. .7, 9.3. So it is just gradually going down.
Is that a physical thing or is it?
No, this is actually software still,
God.
which is, I mean, in a way, it's more solvable than trying to true the whole machine.
Yeah.
I also found there was an option in the software where you could tell it to continually check the end stops.
Oh right.
Like, so all the movement. I remember when we were doing this to begin with, we found it kept crashing into the end stops occasionally.
Yeah.
Like while it was in the middle of one of its motions.
Yeah.
And I don't know why you would ever turn that setting off, but it was off. We did decide to build our own shape of delta. That probably hasn't helped. If we built it the same dimensions as a mini, even, you know, we could have used that version of software.
We didn't find any though, did we? When we looked for the mini, we only found, like, the only stuff we found was the for the Max. That's why we.
Oh, that's a good point, actually. Yeah.